In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how the heating and cooling system works here at the bin so that you're able to have the most comfortable stay possible. So there's two thermostats on the main floor. There's one right here next to the TV in the living room that generally controls this zone, both the dining room and the living room here, as well as a thermostat right next to the front door, and that controls the kitchen area. So if the kitchen's getting a little cold, just run over by the front door, turn it up or down accordingly. Same goes for over here, and same goes for each of the bedrooms upstairs. Each bedroom has its own thermostat. In most cases, the two smaller bedrooms, we're able to just leave them off completely as the just radiant heat or air that's running through the home is able to heat or cool those bedrooms accordingly without those units even needing to be on. In most cases, you'll never need to touch the thermostats here at the bin. Maybe it's a degree up or a degree down, depending on your personal preference. But if you do run into anything where you need to turn off a head unit, where you just realize you don't need it, all you have to do is hit the mode button until it reads off. And if you do want to turn that back on, you just hit the mode button again until you get to heat or cool, depending on what the rest of the house is. The entire house needs to operate on either a heat system or a cool system, or that unit won't work. But like I said, you most likely will never have to deal with this. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out.